Okay, let's try this question. The question is, find the equation of circle with center at point 4, 3 and touching the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. So we have given circle S1 is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 1. Let's draw this circle with center at 0, 0 and radius R1 is equal to 1. Here is circle. This is a small circle because radius is 1. Okay. Now let's locate point 4, 3. 4, 3 point कहाँ पे होगा? Obviously it is lying outside circle. So here is point C2 4, 3. Here C2 will be center of circle, the equation of which we are finding. Okay. The distance between centers C1 and C2 is 5. The distance between 0, 0 and 4, 3. Now how you can draw circle with center at C2 and touching this smaller circle? How many circles can be drawn? How many circles? 1 or 2 circles? We have circle S2 touching this circle externally. This is circle S2 which is touching given circle externally. We can draw one more circle touching this smaller circle internally. We have circle S3 touching this circle internally. For both the circles S2 and S3, center is 4, 3. One circle is touching given circle internally and other circle externally. Now we have center of the circle. That means now we have to find just radius. Let's focus on circle S2. Now for S2 circle, we have two circles touching externally. Then what is C1, C2? C1, C2 will be R1 plus R2. We know that when two circles are touching externally, distance between centers is equal to sum of their radii. Now we have C1, C2 is equal to 5 and radius of circle 1 is 1. So we have 5 is equal to 1 plus R2. From this we get R2 is equal to 4. So we got the radius of circle S2. Center is there. We can find equation using center radius form. Now how you get radius of circle S3? Circle S3 and S1 are touching internally. When two circles are touching internally, what is distance between their centers? It is difference of their radii. So we have C1, C2 is equal to R2 minus R1. Here R2 is radius of circle S3. Okay, so put the values of C1, C2 and R1. We have 5 is equal to R2 minus 1. So value of R2 is equal to 6. We can see that this blue circle, S3 circle is bigger one, its radius is more, while the green circle is smaller one, its radius is less. So we got radii of both the circles. Center is there. We can find the equation using center radius form.